Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi guys, it's Sue from 1A Auto. Today we're working on this 2012 Chevy Equinox, where we have multiple listings for parts of this vehicle. Why don't you go to the webpage and check out what we have for your car at 1aauto.com. To remove this driver's side panel, you want to hold the inner handle open and look down the corner. There's a little slot. You can put a small screwdriver like this, pocket screwdriver, pop it, and out it will come. There's one mounting screw. And the other section's down here under the handle. This one is trickier for the angle. We have two 8mm head, socket head, down below. And one 7mm socket head by the inner handle. Now you're going to take a door panel clip tool and locate it around the edge here. You'll feel the clips, pry, and it will pop open. They go all the way up around. Lift it straight up. Now you're going to need to disconnect the electrical harness by pinching this and pulling up on the blue relatch. We're going to disconnect the cable off the inner door handle. You do that by pulling, sliding right through the eyelet. Now we have to remove the automatic door lock switch. Just light pry on one side, pry on the other. Now we're going to reinstall the driver's door panel. First thing I'm going to do is guide the power lock switch back through. Let's not put it in upside down. No one will be happy about that one. Just guide it in. It'll click right in. The factory harness click right on that ear. Then I'm going to put in the main harness. Slide it right in. Pull the blue tab down. Once it's guided, lock it. Then we're going to install the handle cable. And you can notice the slot right there. That's where this ball of the cable is going to go in first. So we're going to guide it in like that. Pull it around. Goes right into the lock. Here we have the manual door lock. Push it down. Got it right into that hole. I like to re-pull it back up because I don't want to lock myself out yet. Crazy things have happened. Bring the plastic up to the top of the window guide. Push down firmly. Then you'll see all the guide pins have lined up. Give it a good hit. So now I'm going to reattach my two mounting bolt screws down here. This is an 8mm head socket. Now I'm going to put in the door handle screw before I tighten the bottom. This is now a 7mm socket. Then I'm going to go ahead and start snugging them all down. Now I can reinstall the plastic covers. I'm going to do the handle one first. See the cutout? That is the way to remove it. And the back clips. They're just straight push-ons, no angle. Line it up, clip it in. The bottom one, the key way to take it out goes on the bottom, and you'll see a slotted upward clip on the top. So up and clip in.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.